Hello friends. A dog named Juanita had been left behind by her owner. She was discovered walking the streets, her belly swollen and fluid-filled. She was weak and having trouble breathing. Before a good person came along and took her to the veterinarian, people were passing her and ignoring her predicament. The veterinarian acted right away after recognizing the seriousness of Juanita's condition. She underwent many suctioning treatments to get rid of the fluid in her stomach that was pressing on her lungs and making it hard for her to breathe. Juanita was a warrior and, despite the severity of her condition, she slowly improved with each procedure. Juanita started to reveal her actual self as she got stronger. She was friendly, playful, and her tail never stopped wagging. Juanita won the heart of the veterinarian and her team, who took great care of her. They even managed to locate her a foster home where she could heal in a cozy and caring setting. Juanita kept getting better, and finally she was like before. She was vibrant and vivacious. She was given a forever home with love and security by her foster family, who fell in love with her and decided to adopt her. All those who heard Juanita's narrative were moved by it. She demonstrated that anything is achievable with a little love and care, regardless of how difficult life becomes. From being an ill, abandoned dog with no hope, Juanita became a valued and adored member of a family. Her experience served as a monument to the human spirit's tenacity and the strength of love.